Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm Daniel, just like Tanya but with a D, and welcome to a segment of how I did my blue eyeshadow that you can see in this picture. Oh, also one thing, I already prepped my face, so I've done like the base, eyebrows and everything. I just need to put eyeshadow, like eye makeup. I just haven't done that because, you know, like my previous video, it took a while. Therefore I decided I would just do the eye makeup instead, so it'll be a much shorter video and hopefully you can actually get to the end, unlike some people. Okay, so for this makeup look I'll be using one eyeshadow palette, and that is the Blue Moon Colourpop. So I take my eyeshadow brush, and the first colour I pick is called Moonlight, which is this one, this pale blue. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that all over my eyelid, just like this. I'm also going to go under the eye as well, so I'm going to get some of that, put it all over my lid, just like this, and also put it underneath my eye, actually, just like this. And we just do the same on the other side. Okay, so after that's done, we're gonna take a starry eye, this colour starry eyed, and put it on again on the same, just on the eyelid and under the eye as well. So literally the same as the previous colour. So as you can see, it's more of a more vibrant and lighter blue compared to the previous colour. What I'm going to do is usually make it like what I do is I extend it just a little bit past the eye. So just doing just like that. Like, yeah, there may be bits of like you didn't cover it with the eyeshadow, so bits of your skin colour showing, but that doesn't matter at the moment, as we're just going to cover it up later on. You're going to do the same on the other eye as well. Literally the same. And don't forget to like kind of extend it out as well, just a little bit, just past the eye, to give you more like of the shape where, you know, when you put tape, whatever that's called, you put tape and you go put eyeshadow over it and it creates that like line thing, so like that. But I don't really want to use tape, so it looks a bit more, let's say, blended and more natural. Okay, so after that is done, we're going to take this colour, Darbadi, and put it like on the outer bit of your eye, under, also just on your crease. So that's what we're going to do. Make sure to blend it out as well. Don't forget to always blend. So this is more of a purpley out bluey tone, and you're just going to blend it out just like this. Same on the other side. Blend it on the outer bits of your eye, so like where the crease is, here on the corner under your eye, around your waterline. I don't really know what to call it, I just say under my eye. Okay, so after that's done, we're going to take Fine China, which is this colour, and put it on the same areas as the colour previously. So again, at the top here, just on your crease, and so the outer bits, and under your eye again. So always keep blending it so there's no harsh lines or any like harsh colours as well. So that's what I'm just gonna do. I do the same on the other eye, and I'm just gonna show you what it looks like a bit. Okay, so after that's done, we add another darker colour. It's called Clued In, and it is this one. And again, you put it in the same areas as the previous colours. So you just put it out here, out, and over the, right, well, on the crease, sorry, on the crease. and it for your under your eye as well. And just repeat the process on the other eye. So I'm just gonna neaten this up and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so after that's done and you blend it in like this, I usually just fix it up with my fingers. I don't really use concealer or anything. And then what we're going to do is the last colour on this palette, which is the Billie Jean, and I get my finger and then I just put it on a little bit of my eyelid, also in a corner of my eye, so like the tear duct bit. Just do that and just blend it out, just like that, and same on the other side. And just blend it out just like this. And just neaten up this bit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get an eyelash curler to curl our lashes. Again, my eyelashes don't really curl, so I'm just doing this for no reason basically. Curl and do curl for like a second, but usually it doesn't really stay. Let's see, you do same on the other side. And then we're going to use this mascara, it's just cheap, this sporty mascara. So we're going to put that on our upper and lower lashes. I'll just do the same on the other side. So I still need to buy new eyelashes, I still haven't gotten around to it. But again, so it's like a bit meh, they're broken, obviously they're a bit disjointed, so please bear with me if these look horrible, but I just haven't got time to buy new ones. So obviously it's just the left eyelash that looks really weird, so I'll try not to close my eyes for you to see if it just looks really ugly. There, my eyelash, put some glue on it. The glue. Oh my god, just splashed in my face. Ew. Put it on the eyelash. Get my tweezers. I'm not an expert putting eyelashes on, so I may take quite a few tries. And plus, it's just weird because the tweezers keep sticking onto the eyelash, so that's a bit weird. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for the blue eye makeup tutorial, and I'm just going to add on lipstick to complete the look. I'm going to use this colourpop lipstick, liquid lipstick in the colour Trap, so I've had it for quite a while, that's why all the let's say the brand name and labelling stuff has come off, but on the bottom there it says Trap. If it focuses, come on. Anyways, it says Trap, so I'm just going to put that on my lips. I haven't really used this in ages because I just thought it didn't suit me, but this was the first liquid lipstick I've ever gotten, I think, and it's from my cousin, so quite like it, and it goes matte quite quickly as well, so and it does last for quite a while. I don't know if this eyelash looks disjointed or whatever, hopefully it doesn't look like that. I'll just close this eye so you can see what it looks like. So that's the finished look for this makeup tutorial. So if you enjoyed this and you want me to explore other new colours that you don't really use on a daily basis, such as blue, because usually you look like a earache prostitute if you use this, so honestly we obviously don't want that. Last thing to mention, sorry if you could see the glue on my eyelashes. Haven't really taken them out because, you know, one of them is broken, and plus the fact that every single time I take the glue off, it always seems like I take the band off, so I'd rather not do that again. Edit twice. That's why it looks like this. So ugly. Just please ignore it. Please ignore it. Move on. Pretend you didn't see it. And yeah. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want more videos like this, more tutorials, more makeup videos like this, then comment down below what colours you want me to do, what other, let's say, themes you want me to do for my makeup. If you guys want me to do reviews on types of makeup that I have, some palettes, skincare, whatever, lipsticks, and comment down below if you want them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that button down there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye. Wait, I'm trying to take a picture.